Crafty Mulligan. A video game holder. I was watching some of those video game videos on YouTube and something caught my eye. A phone holder for a via Bluetooth game controller. I tried to buy one at a brick and mortar store, but they only had a built-in holder for iPad for Apple, not for Android as far as I know. I saw it online as the video game reviewer had a link for it. I don't like to buy one online, so I thought about building my own. It's made from one Walmart vent holder, the, the fork taken off, and two pieces of duck hanger, cut to fit, filed for smooth feel, a wing nut, a long threaded screw.